Freya shows you how to go to bed.
And then for a nap.
Nomi and floor drying. Milo?
Mom, I can't come now.
I can come.
Now that puppy is stealing my attention.
Linda muchachita, pide la luna, pide las estrellas, pues todas ellas, linda muchachita, las cogerá por ti.
How cute little Kiara. Honey? Just sleep. Mommy just checked that everything is okay.